Welcome to part 4 in 5th grade Numbers and Fractions Standard 5, Scaling Numbers. In part 1, we found a pattern. When we multiplied a whole number by a whole number, the product was always going to be greater than 1, no matter what we did. In part 2, we found out if we multiplied a whole number to a fraction, the product would always be smaller than 1 no matter what we did. That was just the pattern we found. Nothing broke it. In part 3, we found a pattern where if you multiplied a whole number by 1, the original number always equaled the product. So now we're going to find out what happens when we multiply a number by a fraction that is equal to 1. Will it follow the rule of the original number equaling the product, or will it follow a different kind of pattern? So, will the original number be less than the product, equal to the product, or greater than the product when we multiply a whole number by a fraction that is equal to 1? Let's take a look at our first math model. We have 2. We're going to multiply it by 1, the 1 created by 2 over 2. And you see this piece here? This is how big the pieces are going to be. Each piece is going to be 2 blocks long, and you can see there's no glass, so 2 over 2. That's why it's a fraction of 1. So let's multiply this out. Here is one of those pieces, 2 over 2. Here's another 2 over 2. And what do you notice? We have 2 stripes. That equals the original number. 2 times the 1 created by 2 over 2 is going to equal 2 stripes. And also, if we look at it in terms of blocks and stripes, there are 4 blocks in all. There are 2 blocks in each group. So that creates a fraction of 4 divided by 2, or 4 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Voila! It's going to equal the original number. The product will equal the original number. Now, document with a picture. Fly back so you get a good shot. Take your photo. Open your portfolio. 2 times 2 over 2 equals 4 over 2. Now, 4 over 2 equals 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So P equals 2, and the original number equals 2. So the original number does equal the product.